Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we are seeing some relief on the chart because we are seeing some correction going on the chart of gold USD. Okay, from the comment section, I understood one thing very well, that most of you were holding sell position around 1670, 1669. Okay, and you all were very much tense. And right now we can see that there is some relief on the chart. Okay, so if possible, try to exit from the sell position you were holding. But if you have the daredevil kind of attitude, then you can continue with the trade. Okay, anyways, there is a correction going on. That is a good thing for the market. I would like to show you the Forex sentiment meter first. In the Forex sentiment meter, here is our beloved gold, and you can see 85% retail traders are on the sell side and only 14 are on the buy side. Okay, 85% have taken sell position, and usually we always see market moving against the Forex sentiment meter. So there is a good chance, if you just look at the Forex sentiment meter, then there is a good chance that market will be going up. And in our previous video also, we have discussed in detail that there is a good amount of opportunity for gold to go up. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal. I don't know whether there will be a trend reversal or not, but I think that in the coming days, in the coming coming week, market may test 1702.05 and 1722.30 level. There's a good chance that market will be going higher to test these levels. Okay, so let's try to understand the important levels for the day. First of all, market has come to a retracement zone. Okay, market has come to a retracement zone, and as you can see, that market is still not giving us any clear sign yet. Okay, market is trying to take support here, because if I take it to a lower time frame, then you can see that the speed of the selling pressure is decreasing. Okay, this is a very important thing to observe. So we can see that more or less the selling pressure is decreasing right now. The correction pressure is decreasing. So yes, in the coming hours, there is a possibility the market will be forming a green candle here, and slowly market will try to recover. So being a Monday market, and right now while recording this video, Asian session is going on. So try to be very careful. If possible, take a small lot size. Do not go heavy, because as we all know, Monday mornings and Friday evenings can be very dangerous. Okay, so you must be very careful. Okay, and in case the selling pressure continues for the next 1 or 2 hours, okay, in case the selling pressure continues for the next 1 or 2 hours, then you can take the help of Fibonacci. See, I am drawing the Fibonacci retracement here, and see, the first retracement level according to Fibonacci is 1666. So if the selling pressure continues, okay, if the market has just opened, market is not stable yet, you must understand. Okay, market is not stable yet. So if the selling pressure continues, then observe the market firstly at 1666. But 1666 being Fibonacci 23.6% is not a very strong retracement level. Okay, see, this is a weak level. Okay, this is a more or less good level. Fibonacci 50 is a strong level, Fibonacci 61.8 is a strong level, but this is not a very strong level, being the first level. So if market comes to this level, okay, and if you see these kind of candles around this level, okay, you can go for a buy position. But in case you see market forming a big red candle at 1666 level, obviously you'll have to avoid. Okay, you'll have to avoid. So see, observation is the main thing here. So if market takes support, go for a buy. If you see market is forming hammer pattern, if you see prices being rejected from below, go for a buy position. And your first expected profit, okay, being a Monday market, okay, I'll say around 40 pips. After 40 pips, you can try to book your profits. Okay, and if you see the market is continuing the upside, okay, then well and good. Okay, you can be on the trade. In case the selling pressure comes down, brings the market, okay, in case selling pressure brings the market to this level, Fibonacci 38.2. What is the level here? 1656. So our second support will be 1655 to 57 level. Okay, so if market comes down to this level, this will be a second retracement. In case market fails, at the Fibonacci 23.6, hopes will be around this level. If market bounces from here, well and good, go for a buy. Okay, then we have second support around 16, third support around 1650. So these three are the important levels for the market right now. But do not forget, market is not stable yet. Market is just open. See, it's not about forex market. If you trade on stock market also, then you know it very well that in the stock market also, first 30 minutes is very dangerous, because market is not stable during the first 1 hour or first half an hour. In forex market also, okay, just after the market opening, as there is no proper liquidity in the market, okay, there can be some unexpected spikes in the market, unprecedented moves in the market. So this is the main reason why everyone says that Monday mornings and Friday evenings can be dangerous. But right now, as we can see, that market is trying to retrace here. Okay, market is trying to retrace here. So if you see market retracing from here only, you can take a buy position, because already we have discussed that this is our retracement zone. Okay, and my dear friends, I have recently observed one thing very well, that my videos come during the Asian session and lot changes during the US session. Okay, so I'm planning to bring a video just before the US session as well, because so that you can get the hot picture of the market. Okay, so I'm just thinking, okay, if possible, I'll try to bring a video today also, because as you all know, I do not edit my videos. I don't know anything, and I don't get time also to edit my videos. Okay, so I'll try to bring a video so that you get a better picture about the US session and how to react, how to trade, or where to trade during the US session. Okay, and my dear friends, this is a pro trader program. Probably many of you know it very well, that I run a pro trader program where I teach where to trade. Okay, and we do lots and lots of stuff. Okay, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income profession, you can consider pro trader program. The link is in the description. See, learn, trade, and earn. Very beautiful. 10 reasons to join the pro trader program. This is me who have designed a website. Yes, I can design websites too. Okay, if possible, try to go through it. Okay, if you think that this pro trader program will suit your need, okay, then you can feel free to join. Okay, you're most welcome. Bye bye, take care. I'll try to bring a video during the US session as well. Okay, I think right now that market, okay, though market is trying to retrace, okay, better to wait for 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay,